If you have a Shopee store, please comment down your username or the link of your Shopee store, especially when you're a startup, because I'm gonna choose some small businesses on Shopee, then I'm gonna make a haul. So it's gonna be a small business Shopee haul. So this is my way of celebrating 300 followers on my Shopee store, which is Miss Active PH. And I just wanna thank you guys for all your support on my channel and for my store as well. Shopee! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Erica. For today's video, we're gonna do a Shopee haul, home or quarantine essentials. So it's gonna be a huge Shopee haul. I have more than 20 items, but it's categorized into 5. First is quarantine essentials, then the kitchen, the garden, fitness, and of course, self-care. Take note that I got these items either free shipping or with discount. Yeah, I didn't pay shipping in full because I used Shopee Pay and I used the coins as well. So if you're curious on how to use Shopee Pay or what, just click this video over here. So yeah, let's start. First, I have these masks, which is the KF94 mask. This is a Tony Sia made me buy it. So I got it in color beige and white. It is really good because it is 4-ply. Okay, so it looks like this. Look, it's covered. It's a very nice fit, and then you're just gonna squeeze it here so that it's a good fit here as well. And look, it's very aesthetic. Okay, so it comes with other colors as well that you can choose from, and in a pack there's 10 pieces. Okay, so the original price is 220 pesos for the beige mask, and then 175 pesos for the white mask. But actually, when I told Rachel this, because she wants to buy the beige one also, but then they already have the white one, and she told me that she only got it for 33 pesos for 10 pieces already. Like, Rach, why didn't you tell me? But anyways, if you really want to buy the beige mask, then get the one that I'm gonna link below, because the 33 pesos, I know they only have black, white, pink, and I'm not sure if they have blue, so they don't have the beige ones. Okay, the next quarantine essential item is of course the face shield. Actually, the pouch, we bought it separately, and then I just placed a label here, Erica, and then this is how it looks like. There you go. You see me wear this all the time in my vlogs when I go to Tagaytay or what, because it's required. And then we really want to buy a pouch to avoid scratches. Let's say when you eat in a restaurant and you don't want to put your face shield on the table, right? You want to put it in the pouch. So the price for the face shield is 89 pesos, and as for the pouch is 29 pesos, like when I bought this. But when I checked it recently, it's 180 pesos. Like, I don't know, but yeah, just wait for the 7/7 sale. They might be on sale, so yeah, just be updated on that. Okay, the next item is of course the alcohol spray. So this is really nice. It comes in white, transparent, and black, and my dad got the black one. What we like about this is that it's continuous. Like, can you guys see? There. You can disinfect your groceries or your hands, your shoes before you come inside the house or what. So this is the 300 ml for only 239 pesos, and it comes in 2 sizes. They have 150 ml and 300 ml, and it's really sleek and it's thin as well, so you can put it inside your bag. Okay, the next item is this one. This is a a temperature check thing. Like, so this is the item like that, and then you can just scan like that. For this one, I forgot the price. I'm just gonna put it on the screen, and yeah, it's really good, and it comes in a pouch also. I'm not sure if we bought this on Shopee though. I think we bought this in Lazada. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna put the link below. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back. So aside from this one, we also bought the one that is similar, like when you enter the mall, like it's automatic like that. Before we go inside the house, we check our temperature. So it is wall mounted, but we actually have a stand already with the alcohol, so we decided not to buy the tripod. You have 2 options. You can use the batteries or you can plug it in. So we actually got it for 759 pesos with the variation K3X, but when I checked it now, it's 833 pesos. And if you want to buy the tripod separately, it is 499 pesos, and it's 210 cms. Okay, the last item for the quarantine essential is the Aquapic AQ230 cordless water flosser. I actually made a review about this. You can check it here. And yeah, this is really good, especially now that we are in a pandemic, and it's a good alternative for your usual floss, and it's more convenient and it's environmentally friendly because you're only using water. And yeah, when it was delivered to me, it comes in a really nice box. It was packed well and there were no damage. So it comes in a pouch, freebies which varies from time to time as they mentioned, and it comes in 2 jet tips. So another good thing about this is that it's rechargeable, so you don't really have to buy batteries anymore. So that is a plus. So as for the price, it's 3,150 pesos. Okay, for the next category is organizer. I actually forgot to mention it in the intro, but anyways, organizer. So the first item that we bought for organizer is the 4-layer metal shoe rack, so that our shoes or sandals outside is more organized and it's easy to get. Also for this one, you have to assemble it yourself. There's a manual, I think. I'm not really sure. I forgot already, but yeah, it's fairly easy to assemble. And the price for this is 350 pesos. Okay, the second item is this one. This is a multiple stack drawer. Wow, there's like a lot. Actually, this was a gift from Rachel on my 18th birthday. I know you buy it separately. Wait, let me just check because she sent the link to me. Okay, there you go. I like my phone case. Wait, okay, later na yung phone case. So the desktop organizers, 3 layers white is 749 pesos. So all 3 are 739 pesos, and it's really packed nicely as well. See, you can separate it. And for the first layer, I placed here my webcam covers, the one that I'm selling. Oh my gosh, here, webcam covers. So I'll show you. So these are the webcam covers that I'm selling on my store, which is Miss Active PH, and it comes in black or white. So yeah, if you're interested to buy, then you just click the link below. So yeah, here you go. As for the second stack, it's one only. I place all my makeup here. I usually just put on my lips, a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and then I just put powder. So all these, it was gifted to me by Monica during my 18th birthday as well. As for the last drawer, I just placed here my, what's this, correction tape, stapler, and I have a rosary here with me. Here you go. And the available colors are pink, blue, and white, and you can buy separately as well. So if you buy this only, 1, 2, 3, it's 398 pesos. And if you buy this one opening only, it's 379 pesos. So yeah, but for me, you should buy the all 3. It's really useful. Thank you, Rich. Okay, the next organizer is this cosmetic bag. Look, it's so small. Like, this is what I usually bring whenever I go out because I can disinfect it easily. And then look, it's so small, but I can put a lot of things. So I have my tissue, I have my color snap here in the shade Milk. And then I have mirror, a license, and some cash, and yeah, so yeah, those are the things inside, and it can fit in my small bag, which is really good. And guess how much this is? Only 56 pesos. So yeah, make sure to click the link below. Maybe it gets sold out, but if ever it gets sold out, I'm gonna put an alternative link for you guys. Okay, the next item is a bag organizer. I actually placed it at the back of my door. It has 6 pockets, so I placed 6 bags there, which are my go-to bags, and it's only 64 pesos, guys. Like, it's a steal. Like, some items I saw, it was around 200. Okay, so before I end the organizer, I'm just gonna show you guys my new case. This is for the phone Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. So I got it in color pink, in color blue, and in color black. So these are the colors, and it's only 49 pesos. Oh my gosh. Look, it's so pretty because it's square like that. It's really nice. I like pink, if you guys don't know. Oh, another thing what I like about this, look at the inside. It's like velvet material inside. Okay, let's move on to the next category. Okay, so the first item for the garden items. Anyways, the first item is the water sprayer. So my dad was the one who bought this again because we have plants on hard to reach areas. So I'm not really sure how much yet because my dad hasn't sent me the link. So I'm just gonna put it on screen. Okay, the second item is the wind chime. So we placed it outside in our little garden, and sadly a bit rusty, like maybe because it's exposed to the sun, to the rain, like that. So I think if ever you're gonna buy this, make sure you just, to put it inside instead of outside. But then we like it outside because, so that it's windy and you can hear it more, like that. But yeah, we received it in good condition and it's in color gold and it's only 179 pesos. Okay, next is the pots, the little pots for our plants. And it's really, really cute, guys. It's in color white. It comes in 3 sizes. They have 5 by 5 inches for 23 pesos, 4 by 4 inches for 19 pesos, and then 3 by 3.25 for only 19 pesos. So yeah, it's really, really cute. And my grandmother in Marikina also has this one. I saw it in her garden. Like, she has a really, really big garden. And if you want a tour with that, I'm not really familiar with plants, but my grandma is familiar with plants. So if you want a tour in her garden, just comment down below if you guys are interested. Oh my gosh, ang dilim na. Okay, so the last item for this garden thing is the solar LED light. We put it in the grass so it automatically turns on when it's at night. You can save electricity as well because you're using solar. It's electric frother. It's really, really good if you're a coffee lover out there. It's really effective when you want to activate your glutes. I usually use the heavy one and oh my gosh, you don't know how sore my legs and glutes are when I use this. It's easy to assemble and it's light, and the good thing is it's foldable so it doesn't take up too much space.